concerns about genetics. What about the genetics of the animals? How are you going to affect the wild stocks? What's going on with those populations? You want to make sure you're using animals that are from the right areas and that you have the right participation from a large enough number of animals to make that work. And so the last 2 years, my PhD student has been working on identifying who the parents are and who the offspring, who do they belong to in those tanks. So over here on the right, I'm just going to show you females, are the tag codes. Every fish, these wild breeders that we brought in, every fish has a code that's associated with them. And we took those codes and identified the DNA of them, and then looked at the offspring and found out who was participating. And these are just some results from 2 days in June in 2011 and 3 days in a row in May. And it shows us who's participating. Are they spawning multiple days in a row? Those big yellow bars there, that's a single girl over there that is making most of the babies in that particular spawning cycle. And then we actually spawn these fish about 4 times per year. So sure enough, if you look at those data over time, you see